Are you having problems that you're missing some TikTok features, or if it's like a one specific feature that you're missing, well then you have come to the right video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So as you can see, I'm currently on my TikTok app right now. So we need to actually firstly go to our TikTok app and then come to our profile right here, as you can see. And now when we're actually on our profile, then what we're going to do first is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And now we need to click where it says settings and privacy. Perfectly, as you can see, we're now taken here. What I'm going to do in here is to just scroll down, and then I'm going to click where it says report a problem. So click on report a problem. It's just going to load perfectly. As you can see, we're now taken here. What I'm going to do now is to just scroll all the way down actually and click on submit a report. So click on submit a report. It should be all the way down. And perfect, as you can see, we're now taken to this page right here. So we need to write something like this to TikTok. I am missing this feature. And you need to specify what kind of feature that you're missing. For example, if it's like auto scroll feature, or if it's some other feature like clear mode or something like that, just specify to them what kind of feature you're actually missing. I'm just going to write for this tutorial auto scroll. Please fix this for me because this is a very important function for my TikTok user experience. You can write something like this basically. I am missing this feature, and specify what kind of feature it is. Please fix this for me because this is a very important function for my TikTok user experience. Now click on submit. Perfectly, as you can see, we're now taken here, and that is like a good sign because it will take about 3 to 5 business days for TikTok to actually see your message and then reply back to you. And hopefully after they've actually replied back to you, then this should actually be like fixed, hopefully, right? And also another thing you can actually try to do is to go into the App Store if you have an iPhone, or go into Google Play if you have an Android phone, and then search for TikTok and see if there's any update button on on there basically. Because if there is an update button on the TikTok app, then that means that you don't have the latest TikTok update, because you can also try to update to the latest TikTok version and see if that also fixes your problem. So basically this is exactly how to do this. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.